Huling-huli sa akto. Nagbo-buffet. Ayan na po siya.
At 9 a.m.
Gutom na gutom yan.
May sumo ko ba kayo?
Ayan na po tayo. Hello, Manay.
Hi, I'm back.
Ano po siya? Kilala na niyo siya. Ito yung
Nakakalakan
picture.
na ulit.
Manay, dahil nandito ka, ang ating special guest, ang ating net, sige, kumain ka lang habang,
Uy!
merong 5 questions na prepare ako for you.
Wow!
Ito mga tanong na to is, ito yung headlines lately. So, ano lang, walang tama or maling sagot dito. Ano lang to, parang personal opinion, ganyan-ganyan.
Very political yan. Ayoko maging political.
Hindi naman political siya. Ano naman siya? Sige, yung first question, tinanong ko yung chat GPT kung ano yung mga headlines today. Ang first question is, should Canada be the 41st state?
No, definitely not. No.
Because?
We are a sovereign country, so the U.S. should respect
Yun na
that.
yun.
Yeah.
Wala nang
We have better benefits. No way should we be part of the U.S. No way.
Yan na po.
Ayoko
Yan
nga
na
ba
po ang sagot niya.
political?
Sige, I'm sorry. Are you in favor of immigration crackdown that's happening right now in the US?
Not the way that they're doing it.
They're
Not
Kasi
the
di
way.
ba nakatama sa news, di ba grabe ngayon yung...
Yeah. So no, not the way that they're doing it. It's very inhumane, and I don't think it's right to break up families. So yeah, I don't think it's heartbreaking.
not right.
It's heartbreaking what's going on in the U.S. right now.
Amazing.
Very, sabi ko very political yung mga palang sa mga. Wala ko alam.
Kasi lately, parang 106 congressmen yung nag-sign to impeach Sara Duterte. Do you agree or do you oppose?
I don't have any.
Do you think
I don't know.
do you think it's beneficial for the government? Was it necessary, you think, or?
I haven't, to be honest, I haven't read so much about Philippine politics, so I could not say anything about it. So I could not comment. Sorry.
Kailangan mo mag-research muna ng bonggang-bongga.
Yeah, I lived here in Canada, so I've been mostly reading about Canadian and US politics
Kasi
because
parang-
it directly affects me. So,
Kasi a week ago, parang almost 106 na congressmen yung
I've
Sign
read about that. Yeah,
to
but then there were a lot.
impeach
But to be
Sara.
honest, I've also read. So I don't have any stand on that, and I don't know if it. But from what I've read, those congressmen, a lot of them that signed was because they were given
Order.
money. They were given ayuda. And they were like, oh yeah, we were given this like 125 million, and that's the reason that they signed. Do you think that's good? So
Politics is
I'm
politics.
not for or against Sara Duterte, but I'm just saying, based on what I've read, like parang, you know, it's questionable. So why do they have to give them money?
Yan na yung line din siya because parang nag-divorce ata sila or nag-file siya ng divorce of some sort.
Daw, yun yung sabi na she filed, or like they're filing for divorce. I don't know who filed, but
So if you don't know yung outfit ni Sensor,
yeah,
yung
I saw
outfit
it.
niya.
Aba, may ano.
Kasi ko dito. Tinuro ko dito. Tingin mo ba, kasi sabi nila it's a known, designer yung gumawa. Designer ng Yeezy. Ano yan? Yeezy?
Yeezy, yung
Yung brand ni,
Yeah,
ni
Kanye.
Cameron.
Yeah.
chinek ko naman, sabi ko, ito pa rin designer. Parang African-American or something like that. Yung
So yung design nila is parang nude? Parang
Yun na yung...
may sheer na ano lang.
Oh.
Yun na yung design.
In fairness
People
naman kay
are
ate
wearing those
girl,
things.
kasi di ba almost a year or 2 years na siyang ganun yung outfit niya palagi. Parang something na
But that's
going there. Yung parang wala.
But since they've been together, parang she's forced to. I don't know. For me, it's not. There's always.
Anyway, yung
like,
tanong ko naman is, you think yung outfit niya during the Grammys a form of artistic expression, or do you think it's
it's the
not
latter.
an
It's
art,
not.
or
It's
it's
not.
the other way
not.
around?
It's not. I don't think it's
You
appropriate.
think it's not a form of art or anything?
No.
Tingin mo mas appropriate yung suot na sa simbahan ganyan or something? Pag may mga fine dining restaurant, tayo na sa fine dining
I
restaurant.
don't think it's something you should wear anymore. Parang ba't mo ba? No. It's like just walking naked anywhere and everywhere. So, no.
Nakubad ba siya nun?
Parang siyang sheer lang, di ba? And then you can see everything. So, it's basically naked.
Oo nga. Kasi hindi na ako kung may nakalagay na something
Wala,
or may
wala,
nakalagay
wala talaga. Wala
kasi nakita ko
talaga.
sa Twitter, nakahubad siya, naka-blur kasi eh.
Binurse nila kasi nakita talaga yung
Nepal, yung bansang
yes,
Nepal.
At saka yung nasa baba, di ba?
Pythagorean
So parang
theorem.
talaga siyang wala. Parang na siyang sheer na cloth, but and then it looked like na she didn't even want to take off her coats. So,
amazing
parang,
talaga.
diba?
So it's a no for you.
No. No.
Not a form of
No.
kineme-kineme.
No. I don't to be honest.
Pero tingin ko baka yung style niya din yun, yung gano'n na parang expression na parang,
No, I think she's
may expression na
beautiful.
parang galit-galit na hindi mo maintindihan.
But pero parang siyang na-force to wear those.
Saka
Hindi
parang,
naman ganun
parang
din
siyang
siya
copycat ni Kim Kardashian, no?
Yeah.
Parang too close yung nila.
mukha niya.
Pati yung pangangatawan,
Yeah.
yung pananamit, yung
Pero
parang
hindi
very
naman daw
Kim.
siya ganun magdamit before kani.
Australian daw siya, di ba? Australian.
Hindi ko alam. Australia pala siya.
Australian siya. Ayan. Salamat sa yung napakaga. Ito naman yung alam mo yun, mga ganyan na maling na post or hindi pa when is sharing on social media becomes ethical, when it becomes unethical or oversharing or
Well,
ganyan-ganyan.
personally, I've been a very private person.
Taray!
To be honest, di ba, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-share. So, it's something that for me,
Hindi ka sumasayaw na bonggang-bongga.
Yeah, it should be something that between the two of you. Parang, I don't see the... Especially as artista ka kasi you have a wide audience, right?
Oo.
But
So you think hindi justifiable yung so it magmamatter kung ano yung role mo sa life kung artista ka or hindi. So kailangan meron kang
I mean, ako personally, I'm not the type to share. I'm not the type to, I can share with friends personally, but not something that I'm going through to the whole world. I'm just not that type of person. So, yeah. I don't know if that answers your question. I don't think it does, but...
Pero yung tanong ko lang naman is when ano yung borderline na nagiging ethical siya saka unethical? Kasi di ba sabi ng mga netizen, dapat to hindi na lang shinare, ganito, ganyan.
Kung, maybe if it would destroy
Di ba may
someone
borderline
else's
yan?
life.
Oh,
So, yeah. But yun nga sinasabi ko sa in relation to her being an artista or someone like then kasi what if naman we don't really know the whole story, right? But
ito.
I mean may mga questionable din siya bakit magpapatattoo ka ng parang couple tattoo, hindi naman kayo couple. Pero
Hindi ka sure.
Diba?
Mali mo sobrang close lang nila. Tsaka,
yeah, there could be that. I mean, like, I have, in a way, yeah, may tattoo ako
meron
with
din
my
ba
really
kayong
close
couple tattoo
friend.
ni ano?
Hindi, no. May tattoo kami
Ni Victoria?
ng very close friend ko, our best friend
si
ko.
Victoria ka, di ba?
Hindi,
Ay,
hindi,
di ba yan?
hindi. Pero, but kaming
ko sinabi,
dalawa, wala kaming, we don't have partners. So, parang siyang very platonic. Oo nga, no, napaisip ako. Pero yeah, very platonic kami. Wala kaming partners. So, wala siyang, hindi siya issue. Yeah.
So you think, ano na lang yung final input mo dun sa
Kay kina.
na mga message mo sa mga mahilig mag-social media, mga mahilig mga advice mo, how to be careful kung ano yung pinapost. Kasi ngayon, very yung social media, di ba? Parang you can get canceled. Yung cancel culture, di ba? Very, ano siya ngayon, very popular. Na may mali ka lang, cancel ka na agad. Di ba? Ganon, di ba?
Exactly.
Ididig nila yung work mo, yung
Exactly.
family mo, etc. etc. Ano
Be
yung
careful
parang...
what you post because everybody para siyang may now like screenshots every like may receipts lahat like even go back like years ago, so just be careful
Yeah.
with what you
Dapat be
post.
careful.
Keep everything private as much as you can, but if you want to post, then if that makes you
Do it with
happy, then
responsibility, di ba? With
yeah, just be
responsibility.
responsible. But if it makes you happy, go for it. I mean,
Pag mabash ka,
yeah, it's up to you. You have to realize yung consequence ng action mo. So, nasa sayo lang talaga yan. Social media mo naman siya.
totoo. Sige naman, ay kumain ka na dyan.
Okay,
Dahil ko na
thank
tanong
you.
sa'yo. Salamat sa napakagandang adhika.